Right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be sowing, let's get camera in view, Sweet William Indian carpet mixed. You can sow these this time of year, or you can sow them at end of September, October to flower the following year. It's a perennial, so once you've got them, they tend to last a long time. As you can see, a bit short of space this year, so what I've done is these peat pellets and divided the tray into 3, so I can sow 3 different plants. On the packet it tells you to sow these where they're going to flower and then thin out. But if you've got peat pellets or you make your own, because you don't have any root disturbance, you can do what I'm doing, which is to sow them inside to give them a good start. So just a couple in each one. Once you've done this, you need to cover them with 1/2 centimetre of soil, then put them in a nice warm place, well lit. Won't take long. This variety is called Indian carpet mix. I've not grown it before, but one of my neighbours said some really good results with it, so I thought I'd give it a try. And for £2 a packet, you can't go wrong. Right, it's nearly done. A few more. So you can see plenty of seeds for a couple of pounds. Once I've sown these, that's them done. Any spare seeds, save them. There we go. So you can do a sowing in autumn. So once they're in, just cover them up. Already well watered. Put on a well lit windowsill. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. There we go. Extra tag. Right, I'll speak to you later. Thank you very much. Bye.